Hello, so we have here a Portal TV from Facebook. The reason for this video is this item has now been sold, resold again in fact, because the previous time this item was sold factory sealed and it was returned back as unwanted. Unfortunately, the box has got a bit of pack damaging right here as well, but the contents are in fact new, just a customer return. But I've gone ahead and I've actually tested this item because it was in fact a customer return, and everything is all good, all working. There's no issues there. Been factory reset. Has a little webcam that cups up like this as well. That's been tested, fully works perfectly fine. Package comes with the remote control, which is just there, and inside this part over here as well has the underneath here has the power supply. Power supply plugs into here. HDMI goes in the back here. HDMI isn't provided in the package, but this will be included with it as upon the sale which has been made. And also has a Type-C port. Now I haven't tested the Type-C port, but I'm assuming that's going to be for like things like video transfer and stuff like that as well, connecting up external storage. But yeah, everything's all good to go. So again, like I said, the reason for this video is purely to confirm everything's in the package. So go ahead and put the cable back in there, chucked in 2 extra batteries because I believe the previous batteries were kept by whoever purchased this item. Again, names, information isn't mentioned here, but this video is only to confirm the item is as described and will be sent out just like this as well. So I hope you enjoy your item and thank you. And yeah, this you can, if you're looking to buy a Portal TV, that's exactly what comes in the box: a power supply, a remote, and the actual device itself. No HDMI cable, but again, you can always pick one up quite cheap anyway. But okay, thank you, bye bye.